I have 4 questions for IYABO and Wunmi Mohbad's wife. Question number 1, Auntie Ode. IYABO should do Naira Marley ní Malian house pẹ̀lú ọmọ ẹ̀ Priscilla. Ṣé gbogbo yín lè ṣe threesome, yes or no? Naira Marley tweet pon sùn pẹ̀lú ìyàtọ̀ ọmọ. Should do Naira Marley nínú Malian house pẹ̀lú ọmọ ẹ̀ Priscilla. Answer the question. Ṣé gbogbo pẹ̀lú charges video? Yes or no? Question number 2. Ṣó Kayamata gba ojú Polo ọkọ ẹ̀ Obim lover doba? Yes or no? Ṣó Kayamata láti gba ojú Polo kó ba lè fall fún ẹ? Answer that question. Yes or no? Number 3. IYABO ṣá ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣe drugs ní Malian house, nitrous oxide, balloon. Yes or no? Wọ́n ní videos o. Ṣá ọmọ ẹ̀ ṣe balloon ní Malian house. Yes or no? Oni Naira Marley fún ológun jẹ, ó fún wọn drugs. Báwo ló máa pẹ́ ń DLA, wọ́n dúró díẹ̀ now. Ṣé wọ́n lo drugs? Ṣé wọ́n fi balloon nínú Malian house? Yes or no? Answer those 3 questions. Number 4, Wunmi. Girlfriend Mohbad. Common law wife Mohbad. Wunmi show are o lè deal pẹ̀lú mi. Ìgbà tí kíní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀, sister ẹ pè mí. Tó ń ṣe pé fún mi, màá release audio yẹn. Màá just striking down with that audio. So má mess pẹ̀lú mi. Ìwọ àti Auntie Ode ti plan àbí. Ẹ ti ní new strategy. Gbogbo fans ti wọ page mi na lórí Facebook Kemi Talks. Wọ́n ní mo bully Mohbad to death. Ó rò pé mi ò rántí nǹkan tó kọ. Tó ṣe DM sí IYABO tí DM leaks gist lover. Don't mind that she bullied Mohbad to death. Mohbad tell me omo in life. You tell me meet ni 3rd of September 2021. Ni funeral baba Tiwa Savage. One time, Mohbad Malians ya photo. Olohun ya photo pẹ̀lú mi. Mohbad don't like me now. Mo ti kọ gbogbo story yẹn, gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe. Tí ó like me, tí ó trust me gbogbo ẹ̀. Òun ni mo bully to death abi. When did I bully your man to death? You are a pathetic liar. Wunmi, you are a pathetic liar at the ready fún. Because o ti sọ pé mo nǹkan tó pa Mohbad o mo npa ikú ẹ̀. O lè sọ, o láwọn èèyàn threaten ẹ, kò sẹ́ni tó ń threaten ẹ, ìwọ ló gún ọkọ ẹ lọ́rùn. Submit arrest sí police, kò sọ pé accident nígbà tẹ́ ń jà. Submit arrest, Wunmi. Ṣó ti yẹ? I hate injustice. Submit arrest. Can't charge pẹ̀lú manslaughter. Go at least 5 years instead of life for murder. I want to support gbogbo yín lè máa go down. Ó jẹ́ lọ sí London at America kó lọ wọ àwọn fans Mohbad nǹkan tó ń dánwò bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Wọ́n ti look for transparency. Wọ́n ti wọ NMS lab. Wọ́n ti gbé lẹ́tà lọ sí US Congress. Àwọn nǹkan kan máa strike down. Transparency and accountability. Àwọn ti London wọ́n ti ṣe protest. Wọ́n ti lọ Nigerian embassy. Wọ́n fẹ́ gbé lọ sí UK parliament. Ṣé o ti ready fún gbogbo yẹn Wunmi? Irú ìyàwó ṣìwò ni ẹ. Wọ́n disclose autopsy àti toxicology ọkọ ẹ̀. Ó sọ̀rọ̀ rárá nínú media. Wọ́n láwọn kan sáré tẹ̀lé ẹ, wọ́n fẹ́ pa Liam gbogbo ẹ̀. Má jẹ́ kí n gbọ́ lẹ́nu ẹ pé mo bully Mohbad to death. Má come up with any stuff. I have screenshots of people writing this on my page. Ẹ má mess pẹ̀lú mi because mo ready fún yín. I'm not in Nigeria anymore. But I'm ready for you 24/7. Don't play with me. I'm to retire as an investigative journalist. You know, me ni ma show. I've said my own. Lord confess. My phone e hide, e destroy. E rò pé ọlọ́pàá lè lọ bá Apple. Inú server Apple ni gbogbo evidence wà. CC camera tẹ́ ní kò ṣiṣẹ́ wọ́n tàn. Server yẹn ṣì máa jáde. Lọ find out nǹkan tó ń pè ní FBI. Wọ́n ṣe mú hush puppy. Ẹ má jẹ́ kí n sọ nǹkan tó máa. I'm angry right now. Jẹ́ kí n timestamp video. Okay? This video is 3:30 Nigerian time. 2nd of July 2024. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ pa Mohbad, gbogbo yín normal out. Ọmọ ẹ tó bí síta. Tó lè ṣe DNA láti proof ayé. Bó bá bá ṣe DNA jókòó síbẹ̀. Nothing is coming for you. Gbogbo assets Mohbad ọmọ yẹn ò ní fọkàn nothing. sọ fáyé wù mí kí ló dé tí mo bá ṣe fẹ́ pa Liam tó gbé lọ sódò sọ fáyé tó gbọ́n nǹkan tí mo ń sọ mi ò ṣẹgbẹ́ gbogbo yín in 30 days máa pé 60 years agbántara tèmi ò ṣẹgbẹ́ gbogbo yín. I know this job well. 30 years ni mo fi train. 13 murders ni mo solve in Canada pẹ̀lú Toronto police. Nǹkan tí chief wọ́n sọ, chief of police, kí ló wí? 5 more people like Kemi and will solve everything. That CC camera on the Apple server, the case is solved. You are 1 way and 1 minute and 1 year or 1 day or 1 month from prison. Tó bá ti dé prison pè mí, ma kọ́ ẹ bó ṣe ma adjust ń bẹ̀ yẹn náà.